Hi, this is Dave from Delphi Forums with an introduction to Delphi Forums Mobile. Most mobile devices will be detected as such, but if you want the mobile interface and aren't seeing it, just go to m.delphiforums.com. If you're not logged in, you'll see this login button. Wherever you are on Delphi Forums Mobile, you'll always see these options at the top of the page. Click here to search. You can search for forums, or when in a forum, you can search for messages. Click the logo to get to your My Forums page, or the home page if you're not logged in. And perhaps most importantly, click here to launch the menu. So let's take a look at the menu. You can expand the menu to see 1, 2, or 3 sub-menus depending on where you are. You'll always see the main menu, which shows you which account you're logged in with, gives you a link to your My Forums or home page, a help document, the full desktop site, and gives you a link to log out. If you're in a forum, you'll see the Forum menu, which gives links to the discussion list, forum start page, a page about the forum, and allows you to add the forum to your My Forums favorites. When reading a discussion, you'll also see This Discussion, which tells you a bit about the discussion, the folder it's in, and allows you to set the interest level. Remember, click this icon at the top right to launch the menu. This is what the My Forums or home page looks like when you're logged in. Enter search terms to search for forums, click to view your owned, favorite, and recently visited forums, view a list of most active forums, view a list of forum categories. To get out of mobile mode and get to the full desktop site, click on this link. You can always get to this page by clicking on the logo or going directly to m.delphiforums.com. So this is what a forum looks like. You can search for messages, start a new discussion, launch the message view menu, and we'll talk more about that in the next slide, or just click directly on a discussion title to view the messages in that discussion. If you know what the forum's web tag is, you can always get here directly by going to m.delphiforums.com/web tag. By default, you'll see new discussions sorted by date. The checkmark here indicates what view you're in. You can use this menu for other options. For example, if you're looking for the unread messages sorted by folder view that you'd see on the desktop site, use this option. You can also view by date or date range, and you can view by specific types of discussions. For example, if you want to see discussions with a poll or attachment. To view messages in a specific folder, this option gives you a list of folders to choose from. Remember, click this icon to view the Message View menu. Now, when you're in a discussion, you'll see the same number of messages per page as you do on the full site. We've condensed the page here to show you the controls at the top and at the bottom. You click on the arrow to reply to a message, or click on the icon with the 3 dots to view message options, and we'll discuss the message options menu a bit more in the next slide. Use these arrows to navigate your discussion, or use the up arrow to get back to the discussion list. At the end of a discussion, you'll see the View Next Discussion option. Remember, you can always click on the forum name to return to the message list. Now let's take a look at the Message Options menu. These options will vary depending on the message you're looking at. To view files attached to a message, when there is a file attachment present, click on this link. Click here to reply. If the message itself is a reply, you can click here to go to the message it's a reply to, and click here to ignore the author of the message. If the author's already been ignored by you, you can unignore them here. If you're the author of the message, you'll see options to edit or delete it. Remember, click this icon to launch the Message Options menu. That's our brief look at Delphi Forums Mobile. We want to hear your questions, comments, even complaints. Please, post a message in the Delphi Forums Mobile feedback discussion in our Delphi Forums Member Services Forum. You can see the URL here at the bottom of the screen.